Question 8. This question is about element in the periodic table. Argon has atomic number 18. Explain why argon do not form compounds. Answer in terms of electrons. Well, so we know where argon is. Argon is a stable electron configuration of 288, and as a result, argon's atoms do not share or transfer electrons. Question 8.2. Phosphorus is the element below nitrogen in the periodic table as group 5. Predict the formula of compound formed between phosphorus and hydrogen. Similar to that of nitrogen and hydrogen, which is ammonia, we're expecting phosphorus to be that because the electron configuration of phosphorus is 285 because phosphorus is number 15 in the periodic table. Just like nitrogen forming ammonia, and the electron configuration of nitrogen is 25. So this is what we expect. Question 8.3. Tellurium is the element with atomic number 52. We need to predict whether tellurium reacts with metal. Explain your answer. Answer in terms of the position of tellurium in the table. So if you look at periodic table, and tellurium is in group 6 right here. It is below oxygen and sulfur. Yes, since tellurium is towards the right of the periodic table, and so tellurium is non-metal because towards the right of the periodic table is non-metal. Non-metals here, and that's tellurium, or these are metals and metals here. And as we go down the table, they become more metal as well. These are the 2 points that will give you 2 marks. Or you could say, yes, since tellurium is in the same group as oxygen and sulfur, therefore tellurium, just like oxygen and sulfur will react with metals, tellurium should react with metal if it's not a metal. Or you could say you cannot predict whether tellurium is a metal or non-metal because it is below. If you look at that, is down the group here, they tend to be metal, and to the right is non-metal. So we couldn't say whether tellurium is a metal or non-metal. So you could answer that question that way. So that's fine. Question 8.4. Barium is an element in group 2 of the periodic table. Barium reacts with hydrochloric acid. Suggest 2 observations that could be made. Barium reacts with hydrochloric acid. 2 marks. We need 2 points. Barium is solid and plus hydrochloric acid, which is aqueous. That means in water, and that will give us barium chloride, aqueous, plus hydrogen gas, and this is soluble, so it will be colorless. Effervescence or fizzing or bubbles will be observed. That means gas being released. The barium will disappear, so that barium will disappear in solution, and then we form a colorless solution. So this is a colorless solution, and temperature increases, so it's an exothermic reaction. Question 8.5. We need to write a balance symbol equations for the reaction between barium and hydrochloric acid. We've done that earlier, so I'll do it again. So that would be barium will react with 2HCl to then form barium chloride. So because we need 2 chlorine here, and so we have to multiply by 2 because barium is in group 2, fluorine is in group 7, so it's -1 there for chloride, and barium is 2 plus, so we're going to have 2 chlorine there, plus hydrogen gas given off. So that's the equation expected.